accidentally live streamed this just a short time ago and wasn't able to download the live stream so that I could edit it into a video, so I got to do it all over again. Okay, so for you Airwindows guys that hate to hear me drone on, I'm getting right to the point. Got to get up for work in a couple hours. BeziComp. I guess there's another BeziComp coming out soon. This is the original. This is one use that I found for it. It's in my BeziComp bus, which is sandwiched between console 8 sub in and sub out. At these settings, I use it for what I call grip. Grip. You might be into grip, you might not. I am, because I'm into a certain kind of sound. The outlaw country sound from the 70s and early 80s. And this is a sound I call grip. I'm just going to solo the BeziComp bus and let you hear what it does, and you can decide if it's for you. I'm just going to fiddle with the comp knob so you can hear how you can dial in however much grip you might want. So here we go. BeziComp soloed. And hang on a second. All right, away we go.
You can bet the ghost will remain. These old mountains are his playground. Yeah, I know the ghost of Whitesburg Town. I met a couple friends, brother Brown, and I know a man clearing Sand Lake Cemetery ground. Have you heard of the ghost of Whitesburg Town?
Okay, so I've got it on a really light setting for this because this song calls for not much grip. Grip is just one component of what I think of as voltage sag emulation. The sag of a rail that's getting pushed really hard. I've got other buses that are also part of the same objective, put it that way. Okay, the other thing that I'm featuring here is my use of kCyberCity. I'm pretty sure Chris designed that for synthesizer music, ambient music, a la Blade Runner. What I'm using it for is this. I've got my main reverb for this song is UAD plate right here. And for this acoustic lead part, I decided to use a BX20 emulation, namely Klanghelm 10s Jr. If you know anything about BX20s, they were AKG's attempt to build spring reverb tanks that didn't sound so springy, sounded a little bit more platey. Back in the late 60s, early 70s, I believe. They tend to be rather dark, have a bit more movement in the tails. This has a warm, bright slider. I really don't like the way it sounds when I dial up the bright. But, so I'm using the BX20 for a little bit of contrast. Just a different texture. And I would like to have a bit more of a rather an envelope of brightness with a little bit more depth and distance. And that's what I'm using kCyberCity for. So, kCyberCity at these settings, regen 0.33, position 0.33, full wet, of course. And the last couple of strums of this part, I've got the regen automated to ramp up to like 0.9 and then taper off with a slow curve fade out. All right, anyways, I'm going to solo both the BX20 and the kCyberCity buses and let you hear what those sound like individually and together. All right, now in the mix. And while I'm playing it in the mix, I'll just mute and unmute CyberCity as I go so you can hear the difference. First, I'll do a pass through that first run on the solo acoustic part. There are 2 runs in this section. Without kCyberCity and then with kCyberCity. I'll start with that. So kCyberCity muted.
But you can bet the ghost will remain. But you can bet the ghost will remain. These old mountains are his playground. Yeah, I know the ghost of Whitesburg Town. I met a couple friends, the brothers Brown, and I know a man clearing the Sand Lake Cemetery ground. Have you heard of the Ghost of Whitesburg Town? Yeah, I know the Ghost of Whitesburg Town.
Okay, so I'll put a timestamp for full playback for the gentleman on the committee. You guys that don't like to hear a brother talk, you can tootle along. And let me pause real quick, and I'll be back for the full pass. And away we go.
The snowbirds are gone, they're Dixie bound. I can't fly, but I made it to the south. I met a couple friends, the brothers Brown, and I know a man clearing the Sand Lake Cemetery grounds. Have you heard of the Ghost of Whitesburg Town? He's always got work to do. The widow's mule is too old to plow, and there's no more milk coming from the coddle's cow. There's a field where nothing yields anymore. He's keeping watch for the fox great ghost, his pedigree, his blood runs through the Confederacy. He's handing out the Almighty's words and letters from his legacy. With everything, the seasons change, but you can bet the ghost will remain. These old mountains are his playground. Yeah, I know the ghost of Whitesburg Town. I met a couple friends, the brothers Brown, and I know a man clearing the Sand Lake Cemetery ground. Have you heard of the ghost of Whitesburg Town? Yeah, I know the ghost of Whitesburg Town.
All right, gentlemen, so that's where it sits. I think it's pretty much done. That lead acoustic part, I tracked that in the wee hours this morning. I woke up hearing something I felt needed to be there and set about putting it there. So it may need another session, but that's pretty much it. Let us know what you think. And that's it for now from lovely scenic Paju City, South Korea. Winds of clarity and all that. Over and out.